lovies and new friends. So I'm going to make a quick short video because it's an introduction to something new on my channel. So YouTube has decided that my channel has now reached the status of membership quality. So the one thing that I want to say before we go into anything else is those that join membership and those that don't, absolutely nothing will change for you. My channel will stay exactly the same. You will still receive all of the same content. You'll be able to comment on all my videos. You can do exactly the same things that you're doing now. Those that would like to join the channel, they just get a little bit more. That's all. So for those that don't worry, nothing is going to change for you, and you are not going to hurt my feelings. You are still my lovey. You are still part of the lovey tribe. It has nothing to do with that. It's just something that YouTube would like channels to do because some people are more interested in knowing the people that they watch all the time a little bit better or a little bit more. And this is just a way for a YouTuber to be able to offer more, but because you're going to be spending more time of your time and of yourself, it's just a way that for YouTubers, I guess what I'm trying to say is whether you believe it or not, people who dedicate them, their lives to YouTube, like myself, this is their job. This isn't just something I'm doing just for fun or whatever the case may be. Not that it's not fun, because it is. And I love all the friends that I've made. It's literally my job. I get paid to do this. And some YouTubers may be very different. Some YouTubers may just, this is something they do on the side for fun or whatever. But most YouTubers do YouTube because it's their job. They get paid for this. So what I'm trying to say is, if I'm going to spend more time and more effort into giving somebody who's interested in wanting more of my time, more of me, more videos, and more of that, then it's just a way for you to be compensated, I guess, for your time. When you go for an 8-hour work day, you're paid for your day. You're paid for your time. YouTube is no different. And this is just YouTube's way of seeing that the influencer, which is myself, is compensated for what they do. So those of you who do not want to be a member, there's no problem with that. You will not hurt my feelings. Our relationship will not change. You will still get all of the same content. Those who might be interested in wanting more and would like to join my channel, there's 3 brackets down below where the join is, and each one offers different things. And they offer like exclusive videos that only members will get. You will get videos before regular YouTube viewers will get. You can have highlighted comments when I do, depending on what level you choose, when I do lives. You are the only one that's going to be invited in to do a live with me. You guys will be doing polls. You guys can choose videos that are coming, content that you want to see. I will give you special attention if you're interested in social media where you and I can actually talk. You will have highlighted comments and things like that when you do comment, and I will be sure always to answer you. It's just like little perks, if you will. If you're interested in having more of contact and more of your influencer, so to speak, I hate that word, it's such a weird word, but I get it, in your life. That's all joining or membership is. That's it. And I appreciate YouTube, putting this whole thing together. I see quite a few channels who have the join. I really debated about membership, because I'm like, but I have so many people, how do I explain this without making this like this real long ramble? When your channel gets over a certain size, I guess there's a way to put this, is when it gets over a certain size, it's really hard to answer every single comment. And then when you make your social media things like known, people will start to look for you there, and they're commenting, they're sending you messages, they're sending you private messages, they're in the DMs. And sometimes it is really, really hard to answer everyone. And not only that, to go through all of the comments that you're getting and filter out real people from trolls or the men from wherever that want to slide into your DMs and be like, you want me to be your sugar daddy and you be my sugar mama? If I would spend, that could take me all day in itself just to do, let alone filming, editing, and getting a video up. So being a member, because it's highlighted, like I'm going to assign you a color and the whole thing, I know, oh, this person is real. They're not wanting to be my sugar daddy, and they're not spam, and they're not the 1,000,001. We'll give you our product for free if you will try this out. I know it's you. You are a member. You're part of the Lovey Tribe. You're for real. And I can then easily distinguish you and be able to give you attention, answer your comments, go into the DMs, talk to you. You'll just have more real access to me, because it's very hard to filter all of that out, find the real people. I just had people the other day just like, Missy, did you see all these comments on your video? They went and reported them from me and had them removed. So you get spam, you get trolls, it's so hard. But with the join membership, you'll get like, you'll get tags and such, and like emojis and stuff by your names. And then because of that, because you're a member, I know you're real and I will answer you. And it'll be much easier. Not to say that those who don't join won't receive a comment from me, or they will, but I'll be able to pay much more attention to those who join. I guess I don't, like, it sounds so weird, but it's the truth. It's just the way it is. I think that's why YouTube went down this road, because I think that is the number one complaint of influencers, YouTubers, whatever you want to call us, is that when you reach a certain size in your channel, it is so hard to distinguish who's real, who's not, who's a troll, who's really been a member. Sometimes people who've been with me since the beginning, I recognize your names, which is fantastic. You know, but sometimes people have weird names. Sometimes they're new to the channel. It's really, really hard. Like I have about I can remember about 40 names that I know right off the top. Oh, this is Suzanne. Oh, this is Dottie. Oh, I know. Like, but after 40, it gets a little blurry. So I believe this is why YouTube has this offer. So that's it. That's all I'm going to say about it. For those of you who do not want to join my channel, it's fine. I just want to reiterate, you're not hurting my feelings. You are not going to get anything less than you're getting right now. Nothing will change for you. Those who do join the channel will just get a little bit more. That's all there is to it. You're not pressured. You don't have to pay to watch my channel if you don't join. Even if you do join, you're not paying to watch my channel. You're joining for other perks, which are all in these things, and I ain't going down all that. But all the perks are listed. You can go in, you can push the join thing and read everything before you commit to anything. And if you choose this is not for you, nothing is going to change from you. Everything is going to be exactly the same. Those who do decide to join, they just get their little perks on the side. So that's all I'm going to say about that. I don't want to make this video super long, but I do appreciate YouTube extending the offer to me and my channel. We can just do a test run. If people are really interested and they really do want to join and they really want to be more like integrated into my life and have like behind the scenes things and pictures and be more social with me on my social media, and you know, they're going to receive things, they're going to see videos that I'm not going to be able, that I'm not posting to YouTube and things of that nature, and it goes well, I'll keep it. If it doesn't, we'll just nix it. It's not a big deal, because nothing is going to change for my regular viewers. If that's all you want to stay is a regular viewer, you are awesome. You are a part of the Lovey Tribe. I love you. You support me. You're the reason I do what I do. And if those of you out there who want to join and have a little bit more Missy, I love you too, and I think you're awesome. So that's all I'm going to say about that. You do what you want. Either way, nothing changes. You're still my besties. You're still my lovies, and I'm always gonna put out this kind of content for you. So I love you guys. Take care of you. I hope to hear from some of you, but if I don't, it's okay. No big deal. And I'll be talking to you soon. Love you.